Hello Aries, bonjour, bienvenue. This is your reading in this Aries season 2025. 20th of March, just before 10 in the morning, the sun will enter to Aries, into your sign. However, it comes a bit adventurous. This Aries season beginning immediately. Actually, it's going right now, but but when Sun enter to Aries, will be a Neptune Sun conjunction, which means that Sun and Neptune will be very close to each other. Maybe you feel right now that the things are not going as you plan, always immediately as you plan something or want to do something, almost immediately something coming across and you cannot make what you have planned. This is the Sun Neptune conjunction. And nevertheless, 13th of March, Neptune, for the following 14-15 years, will enter to Aries as well. Which means that I don't say that your life will be upside down, but a lot of lot of lot of good things will change in your life. Even you will change as well, as Neptune going through the Aries in the following 14-15 years. So you have time to get used to it, to be honest. Um, Neptune as for fogginess, dizziness as well. So you can lost in as just because you are Aries, you're straightforward, go to the wall, buy head. Now it will be dizzy. Could happen that you're going straight to the wall. You think that the wall is there, but the wall is a bit closer or farther because you can't see clearly. Dizziness, fogginess. It could happen. The plans, what you're making, you should change very fast, or at least you need to change because nothing is going as a plan, as you planned. Also, the art. Neptune is an artistic planet as well. So don't be surprised if you are starting to interested in Aries sports, you started to interested any artistic sports. For example, you are a martial artist and you start to interested in yoga. Aries and yoga, just these two things, it's totally different. They don't know each other, but it could happen during this Neptune transit in the Aries. You will uh, study to interested in, for example, yoga. Heavy lifters, bodybuilders, typical. They are lifting heavy weights, metal. Mars, the rural planet Mars, it's an iron planet. It's a heavyweight. Bodybuilders could happen that they will be open for I don't meditation because they read anywhere that some of the favorite bodybuilders meditating once a week, twice a week, and they start to open for meditation as well. It could happen. Yeah, and your ruler, the Mars, planet Mars, is in Cancer right now. So even though in the past few months, at least at New Year's 2025, 1st of January, something like that, you realize that your decision making it's not that fast as was usually. Just you need to push through your decision, and you're forcing yourself to make decisions because your 100 million degree burning planet Mars is in a water, is in Cancer. So for you, it's not that easy to making decision right now. Plus now coming the Neptune. So I guess till July will be not that easy to making decision to see through what's going on. Then after Mars will enter into the dry Leo, will be easier to making decision. However, Neptune still with you in the following 14-15 years as mentioned earlier. That's why I would like to ask the help for the cards. For example, if you're an Aries and you're watching this video, it's a miracle already, to be honest. But if you're here, then welcomes you and thank you to being with me. You're watching the Tilarot. And I would like to ask the cards how you can find your golden mean, because you will be dizzy, you will be foggy, plus Mars in Cancer, you're just pushing through your decision making and very hard to make it. But how you can find your golden mean once you survive the this Aries season with Neptune transit. That's why yeah. So what is your golden? How you can find your golden mean? What Aries need to do in order to find the golden mean? Okay, this is what will I ask, and let's start shuffle the cards. What Aries need to do in order to find the golden mean? I'm looking for the camera because this is a Neptune as well, but I'm looking for the camera because I don't know where is it. So this is Neptune transit already started. Okay, what do Aries need to do to find the golden mean? What Aries need to do to find the golden mean in this Neptune transit? What Aries need to do to find the golden mean in this Aries season with the Neptune transit? Let's see what they are telling us. Okay, what do Aries need to do to find the golden mean in this Neptune transit? Okay, let's see what we have. Two of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. Two of Pentacles, it's about juggling in the life with bad, good, dark, light, whatever. So you're juggling with the life. This is one of the cards of meaning. Seven of Pentacles, patience. Aries and patience, do we know what does it mean? Yes, it means that these two things don't know each other, but now it's asking to be patient. And King of Cups, the emotions and the Aries. Just the things which doesn't know each other, but the card is suggesting you to survive this Neptune transit and find the golden mean. That balancing in a life, be patient and support yourself emotionally. What does it mean for the Aries? What does it mean supporting emotionally yourself when you are, for example, angry because you need to wait and you need to find the balance? When you're angry, then let this anger to go through you. Don't want to press. Don't press it. Let's support you. Okay, I am angry because of this and this. What can I do? How can I change? Probably you can wait and juggling with the life. C'est facile. Yes. All the also I see with the cards, if you are juggling perfectly and you are more emotionally support yourself, then the reward would say what you're waiting for. It will be rewarding. The fruit will come after blooming. And let's see, we have another trick. It's 7-2. It's 7-2. It's 9. Then it means the ninth major arcana is the Hermit. The Hermit drew back himself from the life and tried to share the wisdom what he has. So now, dear Aries, I love Aries to be honest because I'm Libra. Aries is just front of me in a astrological wheel, and we are always wondering for each other with each other that the Aries is laughing on Libra, then why the Libra wants to do always everything with someone, and we Libras we're laughing on the Aries. Why the Aries wants to do everything alone? So we're just standing front of each other, and we don't understand why the other one is doing it that way because we want to do everything and totally in the opposite way. Yeah. So juggling. The juggling With the juggling, this two of pentacles. Pentacles, earth, earth, water. You have two earth. So yes, usually as Aries, you are on the earth, and be rational. Be rational, please, Aries. Try to be rational. Thank you. Try to be rational. However, these two of pentacles to me it's always very similar to the north and south node in the astrological chart, which means that what you need to pick up in this life and what you need to leave. Maybe you know what you need to leave. Intuitionally, you feel what you need to leave and what you need to pick up. I don't know. I'm just estimate that maybe you can feel. But if probably in this period, in this Neptune period, you will have a chance to figure it out what you need to leave and what you need to pick up. So this will be one of your tasks. This is what I feel. Also, what I see, the King of Cups. It's a king. You always want to be the king. King of okay, it's not your sign, but it's a king. The King of Cups is taking care emotions of his people. And if you take care emotionally, the people around you, Aries, desk number 1, 2, 3, in this period, then you have the possibility to get the reward. But do it not for the reward, but just for itself to support anyone. But if you are doing well, then you will get the reward, whatever you want. It will be reward. So during this period, try not to hurt anyone. Support your family, friend, wife, husband, children. Try to support them. You're juggling with the life. I know it. The challenge. So juggling with the life is understand as a challenge. I know Aries supporting emotion. It's a challenge for the Aries. I understand, but please try to bring this together because that will be like in the fairy tale. It's come with a good. It will be a happy end. Definitely will be a happy end. And with the hermit, because we are counting the cards with the hermit, the wisdom of hermit drew back. Try not to get into the whatever it is. Emotionally support it means that okay, I understand your point of view. Try to understand another's point of view. First task. Try to understand. I understand your point of view. I know what you're going through. I understand what you're going through. Then you emotionally support someone. Then keep this challenge up, keep this challenge live, that almost each and everyone who you get in touch, even colleagues, could happen, should listen them. Sorry. I know you don't have patience for that. Sorry. Um, try to listen them. So when you keep this challenge up, this is your challenge. Challenge is coming, not a question. Challenge is coming. This is your challenge. Then when you're done, then the reward will be this. I don't say tomorrow. I don't say next week. I don't say next month or next year. But the reward is here. And as I see, it's worth it to get. Okay? Yeah, I run out of my messages, what I've got from cards. Stay on earth. Support your people around you. From the taxi driver up to your grandma. Support the people. Got the challenge. Your Aries, you love the challenges. I know. And this I know. I know. Keep the challenges. Okay. If you have any question, leave in a comment. Subscribe to the channel. At least there is one more channel, but you can hate because I know that there is. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment. If you have question, leave in a comment. When I see, I will answer it. I promise, because I'm Libra. I keep my promises. You know what does it mean? This is keeping the promise. And this is keeping promise for the Aries as well because it's a challenge. So, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave a comment, and have a lovely day today. Enjoy until what you can. Then let's go ahead to this Aries season, Aries. I love you. Take care. Belle journée. Merci. Au revoir.